In this video, you'll learn how to redeem a cashback voucher on Binance. By following these steps, you will be able to access your rewards and ensure you make the most of your cashback opportunities. To begin, log into your Binance account using either the app or the website. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, navigate to the Reward Hub or the My Rewards section. Here, you will find a list of available rewards. Look specifically for the cashback voucher and confirm that it is active and within its validity period. Staying on this rewards page is essential to continue with the redemption process. Next, tap on the cashback voucher to open its details. This action will display the terms and conditions associated with the voucher. It is crucial to read these terms carefully to understand any eligibility requirements that may apply. If the voucher requires manual activation, look for a button labeled Redeem or Activate and click on it. Be aware that some vouchers may be automatically applied to qualifying trades without any need for manual activation. After activating the voucher, you will need to complete any eligible trading or transaction activities specified in the voucher's terms. This may involve making certain trades or transactions that meet the conditions outlined. While you perform these activities, monitor your wallet closely for the cashback credit. Typically, the cashback will be credited to either your spot wallet or your funding wallet, depending on the voucher specifications. To ensure the cashback has been successfully credited, check your reward history. This section will provide a record of your transactions and confirm whether the cashback has been applied to your account. If you do not see the credit shortly after completing the required activities, allow some time for the transaction to process, as this can vary based on network activity and Binance's internal processing times. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.